Quantitative definition, quantitative in a sentence, quantitative pronunciation, quantitative meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of quantitative. Quantitative. Quan-ti-ta-tive. Quantitative. Quantitative as an adjective means data relating to numbers or symbols. Common usages in academic writing: a quantitative analysis, quantitative data, a quantitative result, a quantitative study, a quantitative approach. Example sentences: quantitative, adjective. The quantitative analysis conducted in 2015 matched perfectly with the predictions made 5 years prior. Example sentence number 2. While you can process quantitative data by hand, there are many computer programs that can chug through your results in an instant. Please write a sentence using quantitative in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of quantitative, the meaning of quantitative, and quantitative example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.